Fourth question, a uniformly accelerated car passes two telephone poles with velocities 10 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively. Calculate the velocity when it is halfway between the poles. Let us understand the question. Here is one pole, first pole, and here is the second pole. This is our first pole and this is our second pole. Now, at first pole, the velocity is 10 km per hour. And at this pole, second pole, velocity is 20 km per hour. We want to know the velocity when it is halfway, means at this point. Suppose the total distance here between the poles is x. Then we want to know the velocity when the distance traveled is x upon 2. Correct? Now, here 10 km per hour is our initial velocity. So, u is equal to 10 km per hour. This is our final velocity. So, v is equal to 20 km per hour. X is our s. Distance traveled is equal to x kilometer. Total distance between the poles, let us say x kilometer. So distance traveled is x. So we can find the acceleration using the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2fs. So 20 square equal to 10 square plus 2f into x. So this implies 2fx equal to 20 square minus 10 square. So it can be written as 20 plus 10, 20 minus 10. So this becomes 30 into 10. And our f will be equal to 2 here and x here by cross multiplication. So this is simplified 5 times. So it is 150 upon x. This is our f. Agreed? Now, when s has become x upon 2, then what will be the scene? Final velocity. This will, at this point, the final velocity will be there. So let us say this velocity is small v1. So initial will be 10. So again we are applying this formula. So v1 square, which we want to know, is equal to initial velocity is 10. So it is 10 square plus 2 times f. F is 150 upon x into what is our s? S now here is x upon 2. X is cancelled. 2 is also cancelled. So it is 10 square, which is 100 plus 150 means 250. So V1 equal to under root of 250, which can be written as under root 25 into 10 means 5 under root 10. This will be our velocity when the car is in halfway between the poles. Unit will be kilometer per hour. So, when the car is halfway between poles, its velocity is 5 under root 10 kilometer per hour. This is our answer.